Back at the room we ate at, what was that place called? Red Fox?
Red Fox.
The Red Fox Inn, I guess. Pretty decent food, really good food. Had some salmon. I'm chilling out with Bo here, just wash up. And now we're gonna go to Weirs Beach. Another 40-minute ride. Everything is far from one another here at Laconia Bike Week. Got the golf course right here. Look at that view. Amazing. Me and Glenn actually, what do we do? 200. Me and Glenn almost did about 400 miles today. Crazy. Yesterday I did 200 coming from Jersey to Lake George. Today about 400. And we're going to put another, I guess, I don't know, 100 miles on. And then call it a night. But want to show you guys Weirs Beach because tomorrow we have the meet and greets. So, and we got rain coming tomorrow. We got rain coming Monday. So it's gonna be hectic, and I'm gonna be coming back home on Tuesday. We're gonna be heading out now. We gotta go meet Glenn outside. Let's show you guys Weirs Beach.
I got all the signs, but I couldn't run then. I don't blame myself, couldn't see it coming. I know now, that's how they do it. They drag you in just to leave you feeling stupid. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. You should never have to make excuses for his behavior towards you, the one he loses. I know they seem to understand now, but they will never change, no matter how hard you try. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've
All right, guys, we're here at Weirs Beach. It was about a 40-minute ride. And seems like there's a lot of people. I gotta stop and get gas. That's the first thing because I'm literally on reserve. And I don't know where the gas station is, so. All right, thank God we found the gas station. Only had 91, so I only put like a gallon in, but we're gonna bring you guys into Weirs Beach and show you guys what's going on here. It is definitely a lot bigger of a rally than Americade is. This is in a different section. This is Weirs Beach, and then they have the raceway. They also have a bunch of stuff going on. Laconia, Harley Davidson. So, but this is kind of the main drag here. So hopefully we can find a parking. Look how many bikes. Wow. Very packed.